So hello guys, today we have another series of how fast it actually is. We have the M2 LCI and we will try reaching 100 as fast as possible by measuring it with the Driftbox, and later on we will do 100 to 200 on the Autobahn. Bear with me that the times probably won't be ideal because it's again very cold and we have winter tires on it, and of course my granny shifting isn't like some pro drivers can do it, but let's see how fast it can go. Okay, so that one was 5.6. We had a lot of wheel spin, so let's try that again. So the next try is 5.4, so we're getting better from time to time. Let's try it another one. Okay, this last try was 5.3 seconds. I think this is the best we can get out of this manual car, my shifting and these tires. So let's see how it goes from 100 to 200 on the Autobahn. So this try was again 10.8 seconds, 100 to 200. It seems like there's not much more in it. I did several tries between 11 and 10.8. I think that's about the time in those conditions again, with the manual, with me shifting, that you can get out of this car.